Our next question is from GATE 2015 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 2 marks. The question is, consider two steady isothermal flow configuration shown schematically as case 1, case 2 below. In case 1, a CSTR of the volume V1 is followed by PFR of the volume V2, right? Which is while in case second, a PFR of volume V2 is followed by a CSTR of volume V1. In each case, volumetric flow rate Q of the liquid reactant is flowing through the two units in series. An irreversible reaction A gives you a product order N takes place in both cases, with a reactant concentration C0 being fed into the first unit. Let's start with the solution. You can see here. Remember these points. These points are very important for N greater than, when reaction order is greater than 1. Late mixing is important. Remember this. Late mixing is important. What is the meaning of this? Example 1. If we have PFR and CSTR arrangement, so we will put first PFR, after that we will put CSTR. We are doing the late mixing. Late mixing means CSTR will come in last, right? So in this case we will get high conversion for the given volume of CSTR and PFR, and we will get minimum volume for a given conversion. If if they give us a to achieve any conversion, then we will get a minimum volume by this arrangement, right? Example 2, if we have small and large CSTR, if we have two reactor, one is small CSTR, another one is large CSTR, then we will do for n is greater than 1. First we put small CSTR, after that we will use large CSTR. Remember this, right? Again, for next, for n is equal to 1, no effect of arrangement. There is no effect of arrangement, right? Sorry. For n less than 1, when reaction order is less than 1, like it is 0.5, 0.75 something, then early mixing is important. Remember this, early mixing is important. Early mixing means if we are using PFR and CSTR, then we will put first CSTR, after that we will put PFR. From this we will get high conversion for a given volume, or we will get minimum volume for a given conversion. Example 2, if we have small and large CSTR, then we will put first large CSTR, then we will put small CSTR. Remember these points. If n is equal to 1, if reaction order is first order, then no effect of the arrangement. You can do anything. Put first PFR, then CSTR, put first CSTR, then PFR. There is no problem with this. You will get same conversion, right? So see in this figure, if n is equal to 1, first they are taken CSTR, then is PFR, right? But n is equal to 1, I have told you there is no effect of the arrangement on the conversion if n is equal to 1. So finally you will see option B, n is equal to 1, CAF upon CAF is equal to 1. You can see why. If it is equals to 1, that means CF first is equal to CF second, that we are getting the same concentration at the outlet, and since you know that we are entering the CA0, initial concentration is same in both the case. So from this you will see the same conversion we are achieving, since conversion is given as x is equal to 1 minus CAF by CA0. So if both outlet concentration is same, that means the conversion also same. We will check further. If n is equal to 1, it cannot be correct. N is equal to 1, it is also not correct. If n is greater than 0, we cannot say anything. If n is greater than 0, that means it can be 0.5 also. If 0.5 is there, then it will be n is less than 1. In this case, we will there is a then CF first will not be equal to CF second. There will be some difference, as I have told you in this. N is less than 1, early mixing is important. We will get higher conversion in which case when CSTR is first and PFR is second. So in this case, so you can see here it will give higher conversion. So CF will be less than the CF first will be less than the CF second, right? So from here only option B is correct, right? So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.